Okay, that's gonna be the first time I do that. Having two cameras in the car. Never did this. I hope this one does not fall. No, this one stays where it is. So let's see. Of course, always, if you carry a gun, always put your seatbelt behind your appendix holster so it doesn't hurt your guts if you have to brake. Yeah, goes on pretty smooth. Lights on. I think I'll leave the AC out for now because it's not really cold. It's just a little fresh. Okay, so let's drive. Yeah, as I've learned, the acceleration is not the craziest with these cars, but it makes fun. It's a lot of fun. I'm not a really fast driver. In Germany, we had the opportunity to go as fast as we wanted with my old Audi. It was a 2.0 liter diesel with 140 horsepower. I went 140 miles per hour, which is 220 kilometers per hour. Just when I bought it, I tried it out on the Autobahn. It was fun. Most of the times I went pretty slow for a German. I went about 110, 120 miles per hour, which is 160 kilometers per hour. This is a pretty nice pace of traveling, but to save some gas and money on gas, you better drive slower. In Germany, it's like the cheapest way to go is like 80 miles per hour. Here, it's pretty rare to see someone drive 80 miles per hour. Like all the roads are limited. Yeah. And my left blinker, as you can hopefully hear, it's working. Both of the lights, they're working, but I think it's a relay that's broken. I think one day I'm gonna replace it. It doesn't bother me. In Germany, that's a no-go. You don't do that. We are all about safety. If you have been to Virginia and you've lived here, you know they have a safety inspection, which is it's not quite as crazy as Germany, but it's similar. Slick tires, no. Any lights that are broken, no. That's nothing you can do. In Germany, they're crazy. And if you fail just at one thing, you have to pay so much money to pass your safety inspection. It's crazy, really. Okay, we want to drive a little further, so I'll make a cut here. I want to drive down to our old town, Leesburg. It's pretty nice to drive there. And that's it for today. That's all I want to do now, for now. So I have a little more content for you guys as soon as I upload these. Because I know it's bothering whenever you find someone on YouTube and you like the style of video, which I can't tell how my style will be now because this is the first time I do a car video. But as soon as you like it, they stop doing videos. It's not to be expected with me as soon as I can stay in the US, because right now with the military my contract ends in about 1.5 years, and it depends on if I can stay in the US or not. Yeah, let's go over here. The traffic is getting worse. Almost rush hour. All the people want to go home. It's 2 days after Christmas, actually, I guess. It's December 27th where I filmed this. Yeah, one thing I don't understand with America is how can you people always have your cell phone in your hand? In Germany, if you get caught doing this, the fines are really, really high. And German police is super strict with this. They're super strict. It's not like here. I know Virginia has this law passed for about 2 years now. You're not allowed to have your phone in your hand, but the guy to the right does it. I can't see this one, but the guy behind me does it. All kinds of people do it. I don't. Okay, talking about having your phone in your hand, I got a call. I was still standing in a traffic light. Even that, standing on a traffic light in Germany and having your cell phone in your hand is prohibited. So, yeah. Laws in Germany are crazy. We don't have that many freedoms as you guys have. But one thing is for sure, people in Germany, they don't drive as crazy as Americans do. I mean, every smart person would know by driving on American streets just one day that these guys here, they're crazy. They do all kinds of violations, which are really, really dangerous to all of the people on the road, but no one seems to care. They all accept it, like, yeah, he does a U-turn without setting the blinker. He's trying to pass me from the right and cutting like 5 cars on the way. That's pretty, yeah, it's normal here, which I don't understand. It's crazy. For me, that's an absolute no-go. I'm a pretty safe driver. Never had any crashes. But besides being on the passenger seat, which we luckily survived because we drove a Dodge Ram, a pickup truck in Germany. This one saved our lives for sure. Like with any other car, I think the barriers, they would have ripped us in half. Our truck just flew over it. Crazy. So yeah, as I was saying, I think Americans really drive crazy. That's why I wanted to do a driving video, maybe catch some crazy things on camera. But for now, I still have to figure out how to set up my GoPro so it doesn't film all the stuff here. It's just filmed like, I don't know, from up here. I don't know. I will find out. I will build something so it fits. This is the first video I do like this. So yeah, with these people coming out, most of the times they drive too fast, but when they have to be fast and come out on the highways, they don't go fast. So I will always slow down a little to let them in. I know I'm a really friendly person, but I don't want to cut anyone off. I don't want to be the one causing the accident by someone like pushing him off the road and he crashes into me. So that's nothing I want to do. Yeah, sun is away. Let's go. I don't need that. So my glasses are polarized. Yeah, we can go a little faster here. 60 miles. That's cool. These people are going way faster than me. Oh yeah, nice F-150. At first I want to do buy an F-150. I think he wants to come out. No, he doesn't. Okay. At first I want to buy an F-150. now I'm kind of in love with the F250 series, maybe F350, depends on if we stay or not, if I can afford an RV trailer, because that's what I wanted to go for. Use it, not just drive a huge truck without pulling something, you know. Alright, there we go. Stop sign. Be sure to stop, don't roll over it. The police doesn't like it. And I'm the police guy now. Not. Yeah, I love it to sit in a police interceptor. I got a lot of views from people, but it doesn't look like a real active cop car anymore. That's also a thing I really like. It's not too crazy, but having a bull bar, let's be honest, I wanted a bull bar. It looks sick. It looks absolutely sick. Alright, now let's go for a smooth ride through Old Town. Maybe the camera catches a little bit, so you can enjoy. Yeah, it's 25 miles per hour, and I'm already going too fast. It's 32, what the sign says. This guy over here, he goes 35 or whatever. Is it common to do that? I mean, in Germany, people really stick to the limits. They obey a little more. If you say that in Germany, oh man, you get scorched for that. But hey, I'm in the US. I can say whatever I want, right? Yeah, something's happening with the intersection I had. I don't know. Do we have a railroad? No. Okay. There's nothing really happening here. Yeah, it's all still decorated with all these bandages. How do you call these? Ties? The red ones. All kinds of greens everywhere. Looks beautiful. Yeah, I'm gonna be careful driving, especially careful with it. I don't want to get pulled over by Leesburg police. I know a guy working there, and I don't want to be the one on camera getting busted. Here we are, old cinema on the right, Tally-ho. It's a beautiful place. Leesburg is a nice city. It's like one of the cities that has the most American flair in Northern Virginia. It's like all of Northern Virginia, it looks weird. It looks kind of like Germany. Too modern, too many people, too much traffic. I forgot to lock my doors. Always do that if you drive a car, if you conceal carry, whatever. If you don't, especially then, lock your goddamn doors. Be safe. Especially if you go back to your car after a shopping trip. Go into the car, lock your doors immediately. Don't get robbed, okay? Try to put all kinds of knowledge in these videos with driving a police interceptor and not being a cop. So yeah, hopefully you find it interesting enough and kind of learn something today, because I don't want to just drive around saying nothing. I'm not the guy to do that. I saw these kind of videos, people driving around not saying a lot. I mean, it's relaxing. Maybe I do a couple of them if you like. If I talk too much, let me know. Write in the comments, shut the fuck up. Sorry. Yeah. I'm gonna try out this rotisserie chicken grill. So I've heard it's one of the best around the place. If you guys had chicken Rico, it's nice. We have one over here. We got all kinds of nice restaurants down here in Leesburg. Yeah, this part is more like industrial looking. It's not as beautiful as the Old Town. I mean, Old Town is pretty small, so we're already out. But I mean, this is just a short video for you guys to enjoy me driving around. I'm planning on doing big videos, do some trips. The thing is, with family, it's not as often that I have time off, and I'm not the guy to leave my family at home while driving through the country. But still, if the possibility occur, I'm gonna do it. And I want to make a trip with this car through the United States once. It's something I really want to do. I don't know how and when. Let's see. If you're interested in my other channels, they're linked down below. They're also linked on my channel page. As soon as this one goes up. And if you're interested in guns, please give me a like. Follow me over on Gunny TV. And if you like this one better, because you're not the gun guy, you just want to see police interceptors, then please leave a comment, a like, follow here. I would appreciate it a lot, because I'm just doing it for hobby. With none of my channels until that day, I'm earning any money. I'm just putting money into it because it's my hobby. I go on the range, I go shooting, test all kinds of guns just for fun and to share my knowledge with you. On the German vlog, we share all the things we've learned along the way moving to the US, especially as a German, like the US and Germany are so different. There's so many differences that we learned. It's just sharing information with all kinds of people. And what I want from you as a viewer is just to be respectful and friendly. That's it. It's like all kinds of people. We know there's a lot of haters and trolls out there who just want to come over to the channel and like hate on the person for doing kinds of things. In my last video I told you guys that I paid $800 for new tires, and I know I probably got ripped off. If you say I'm stupid for doing that, I know I was stupid doing that. But just be respectful and don't hate a lot. There's like, all I do with people like that is, oh no way, there's an interceptor right behind us. That's so cool. Doing my first driving interceptor video, there's a guy driving the interceptor right behind me, and he still has his one light on. Hopefully you guys can see him. I don't want to turn the camera. I don't want to be disrespectful to him. Just film him without his permission. I know America is different, but I'm not doing this. This one is gray. That's pretty cool. Looks nice. Yeah, the broken blinker. Alright guys, maybe you can catch a glimpse on that guy. If not, thank you for being here. Thank you for watching my video. Pretty happy to do that and enjoy this nice piece of car. Yeah. I can see it in the... it looks nice. Yeah, all kinds of police interceptors drive around here. Always happy to see one. Alright guys, then see you next time at my channel. Bye.